everyone. We're going to approximate the area under the graph of f of x equals x squared from 1 to 5. I actually had a 0 there, so it's 1 to 5 by using 4 subintervals of equal length and also using 8 subintervals of equal length. And we're going to use the left endpoint of each subinterval. So let's get started. So I went ahead and drew the graph that we're looking at, and we're trying to find the area under this graph to our x axis here. And since we're using the left endpoint, that means, remember, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points here. So we're either going to start with the 1 or the 2. They want us to start with the left, so we're starting with 1. So when you draw it, you're going to draw it like this. And you go up to here, go to the 3, draw up to here, draw to the 4, and then go up to here and draw to the 5. So it's underneath the graph there. So that's what we're looking at. And when we use our formula, we want to partition the subintervals into 5 minus 1 divided by 4 equals 1. So basically we want our intervals to be 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and 4 to 5. So there's your 4 subintervals. And then all we're going to do is find the area. And the area is going to be approximately f of 1 times 1. So then f of 2 times 1 plus f of 3 times 1 plus f of 4 times 1. And for your f of 1, you just plug it in your formula, and that's going to give you 1 times 1, so that's just 1. F of 2 is going to be 4 times 1. F of 3 squared is 9 times 1, and then plus 16. So this is going to equal 30. All right, now for the 8, we're going to do the same thing. We still want the left endpoint, so it's going to be more like this. We've got 1.5 here. So if I draw this down, this is 1.5. This is 2.5, 3.5, and 4.5. So when you draw this, it's going to be like this. Then you go up, and then you go up again. This one's a little harder. Up again, up again. Oh, keep going, and then up again. All right, to go to the 5, go this way. All right, so there's what it should look like. Now, we're doing 5 minus 1 divided by 8. So that equals 1/2 or 0.5. 0.5. So our the way we're going to partition it is from 1 to 1.5, then 1.5 to 2, then 2 to 2.5, and 2.5 to 3, 3 to 3.5, and then 3.5 to 4, and then finally 4 to 4.5, and then 4.5 to 5. So those are our subintervals. Now, this is what we're dividing by. So basically, where our area is going to be, I'll start it here. Area is approximately f of 1, start with the 1, times 0.5. We're just multiplying by 1/2, actually. You're multiplying by that. Plus f of 1.5 times 0.5 plus f of 2 times 0.5. Just pulling out these. Plus f of 2.5 times 0.5 plus f of 3 times 0.5 plus f of 3.5 times 0.5 plus f of 4 times 0.5 plus f of 4.5 times 0.5. All right, once you get that done, you're going to get this equals 1 plus 2.25 plus 4 plus 6.25 plus 9 plus 12.25 plus 16 plus 20 times 2.5. And then I'm going to just take half of that. So then I'm going to multiply this by 0.5. So I just factored out a 0.5. And this is going to give you 35.5. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.